Yo, hello and welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. Yes, if you're just joining me for the first time, my channel is all about creating designs that sell. You want to make passive income from print on demand, talking about sites like Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon, selling your designs on shirts. Yes, my channel is all about that. So if you're just joining me, please, I'll ask you, hit the red subscribe button. If your subscribe button is still in red, if the font is still in red, please make sure you hit that, turn it gray. And for those of you that have been watching me and supporting my channel, I really appreciate you guys. Yes, time to time I do this, so I'm going to do this in this video, giving a shout out to my new subscribers. You see yourself on the screen. Please let me know in the comments. You guys are amazing. You guys are really amazing. Thank you so much. You guys see yourself on the screen. I really appreciate you guys. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right into this design. Yes, I use Canva for my design, so I'm going to be using Canva for this one. So please stick around, don't click off. It's going to be a simple design. Yes, simple, straight to the point design, and those designs sell. All my designs, if you see me, if you've watched all my other videos, or if you're going to watch all my other videos after this, it's going to give you inspiration for your own design. But one thing I'm going to assure you is that those designs sell, those designs concepts sell. So if you could stick to one niche and just create a lot of design around that, you're going to make passive income. Yes, let's go straight right into today's own. So I'm going to click on create a new design. Custom dimension is 4500 by 5400. Yes, don't forget this. Let it be in front, not at the back of your hair. Let it be in front, something you always remember when you sleep, when you wake up. Let it always be there. Pixel. Create a new design. Today's one is going to be super easy, like the other ones have always been. Nothing complicated, straight to the point. If you stick around to the very end, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro for free, 30 days free on me. Make sure you stick around so that you don't miss that part of the video. You're going to see it. You're going to be able to get Canva Pro free for 30 days free. If you're serious about making passive income for print on demand, then you need Canva Pro. Trust me, you need Canva Pro, and I'm going to give it to you free for 30 days. If you watch this video for as long as you can, so make sure you do that. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right into this. So it's going to be easy. Let's start with the text. For this one, it's going to be super easy. Make sure you stick, make sure you don't miss out. So I'm going to be using this font. As you can see, this font is free, but I'm going to be using this. So I'm just going to make this, I'm going to ungroup this. Let me ungroup this. As you can see, they are grouped. The huge sale is grouped together. I'm going to ungroup that. Ungroup. Now that we have that ungroup, I'll click on this gray area. Now I can click on each of them, as you can see. So I'm going to delete the sale, and I'm just going to be left with the huge. So let's just make that stand on its own like so. So I'm going to increase it a bit. So to do that, I'll move my cursor to this edge, press down my left mouse click button and drag outwards, as you can see, so that it's bold on, as you can see. So now I've moved it to this edge. So now I'm going to do two things, or should I say three. So now I'm going to duplicate this layer. To do that, I'm just going to move my mouse to that, press on my Alt key button, press on my left mouse click button and drag that downwards like so, as you can see. So I'm going to do that for this one, drag that downwards again like so. So you get the drill, So now that we have this, all we have to do is to change this, highlight that, change that to it, as you can see, change that to it, move it just like so. We don't want it overlapping that, so do it, sleep, make it, as you can see, it has overlap. So you just have to drag this out. So you press your left mouse click button and drag that out, as you can see. Super easy to do. Then we just put it like that, and you train. So this is like a gym kind of t-shirt. Everybody needs to keep fit, especially in this period. So we're gonna keep that simple. So it's gonna say train. As you can see, the end is overlapping, so we move our cursor to this edge again and drag that out. As you can see, just drag that out. So now we have that all dragged out like so. So it says eat, sleep, train. So now that's just the first step. Then the second step, which you would love, which you definitely love, is to bring in elements. So now I love this element part. It's super easy. You have super cool elements to choose from. If you're on page, you have a lot to pick from. Like I'm going to show you. Let's do sleep. Let's do sleep. You definitely have something to pick from this. You definitely have something to pick. Some of them will be free, some of them will be paid. I like to go with the pro version for some cool reasons. I like to go with the pro versions, and I'll tell you why straight away. If you're using pro elements, not a lot of guys are using that, so you can just use that for your own design. Definitely not a lot of people are using it, so you can use that for your design and you stand out. So it says sleep, as you can see, it says sleep. So we'll bring back the okay, that's it. So we'll bring that to, it's supposed to be on that sleep, sorry, like so. Supposed to be on that like so. So now for it, let's do it. So you see, you get the drill. Just make sure it's something fancy, something cool, something interesting. Find pro elements. I always advise to find pro elements. So let's do this. So this it will just smaller. To make it smaller, all you have to do is to move your cursor to this edge and just reduce that. Drag, move your mouse to reduce, increase, get the drill. So now we have the, so move that to where it says it. So now we're left with train, so we just go over and do train. As you can see, these designs are super easy to do. Super easy, not this train. This is not what we're looking for, not this train. Let's do keep fit. So let's just look for something we can use. Let's look for something we can use. Let's do lose weight. I'm getting this wrong, so exercise. So let's look for that. So let me pause this and get it done. So okay, for this tray now, I did gym, as you can see. I did gym. So now I'll just find pro element. See, this is a pro element. So let's see if we can find something else. Let's see if we can find something else we can use here. Okay, let's use the first one. As you can see, this one is also a pro element, so we can use this. So just make it smaller. We'll make it smaller. Like so. So we can bring it to this side. and just take the train to the other side like so. So now we have it like so. So we have our design in there waiting for us to use. So now we can just go back in and get rid of this white background. Yes, you would have seen that already. This just took us about 10 minutes to do. So now we have this. All you have to do is to download and get rid of the white background. Click on that, click on download. Make sure you check the first link in the description if you want to get Canva Pro free on me for 30 days. Make sure you check the first link in the description to get that for yourself. Super easy to do, super easy. All you have to do, once the link opens in a new tab, make sure you sign up immediately. They're not going to take your cash. It's free for the next 30 days, so make sure you check that out. So you see, this is our design. Very easy to complete design, not so much time, but so much. It's a fun to wear t-shirt design, and everyone wants to wear this. So make sure you design something similar, different color, different elements, and you're good to go. With that said, I'm going to see you on my next video. Make sure you stay safe. I love you all.